It is a largely unheralded industry, but its contribution to global health is critical. Companies like Nucleus Network, a market leader in early-phase clinical trials, play a vital role in testing new drugs and devices headed for the marketplace and are essential in bringing new prevention and treatment approaches to the community. Testing these new drugs and devices for safety and efficacy is a highly specialised area where reputation is everything.
When we're taking blood samples from participants, everything's on military precision. It really is on time.
It's absolutely critical that the management team have phase 1 experience. Within Australia, it's a relatively small industry, and so to be able to bring together people that have worked either within other Australian phase 1 units or around the world has really helped propel Nucleus.
That's why these global pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies look to Nucleus Network to undertake these important studies. What's more, the company is uniquely located in one of Australia's leading hospital and medical research precincts, the Alfred Medical Research and Education Precinct in the premier clinical trial destination of Melbourne. Like much of the pioneering research and healthcare solutions that have evolved from this precinct, the idea for this organisation was conceived by clinicians and researchers. They aimed to market Australia's capabilities to domestic and international industry.
Locally, we are, a significant player in clinical research to the rest of the world in terms of drug development and clinical research, and also being able to be, involved as a significant player and resource in the sort of biotech ecosystem in Australia, which I think is, very rewarding.
During its beginning in 2003, it was jointly managed by health and research organisations with start-up funding and the foresight of the then Labor government critical in helping establish this organisation through the provision of establishment grants. By 2005, it had become part of the Baker Institute's family as a wholly owned subsidiary, with the newly named Nucleus Network already bringing clinical research investments to Victoria.
We at the Baker Institute feel that the translational aspect of our science is extremely important, that what we discover in the lab is translated into clinical practice, and Nucleus is an important environment for doing stage 1 clinical trials, the initial use of a chemical or drug in humans.
The initiative was inspired and visionary, with the company undergoing significant growth and expansion in the ensuing 14 years. What started as a 24-bed facility in 2003 has now become an 80-bed facility with an on-site pharmacy and the dream to market Victoria and Australia's research capabilities to the world a reality. Nucleus Network is a shining light for what can be achieved with vision, leadership, world-class infrastructure and a commitment to driving better health.